8:30 sharp. So I am Abida Nadaf, and today for the mastermind group call 4, I'm welcoming all of you on Kavita's behalf as she is traveling. So I have been given this wonderful opportunity to lead today's call. Okay, so I welcome you all, and we'll start with the introduction. Okay, we'll start the session with the introduction. So ladies, are you ready to give your introduction in a short like 1 or 2 minutes? I'll start with mine. Few of you know me very nicely, but if you don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Abida Nadaf, and I belong to Bhatinda, Punjab, and I teach women to handle their emotions well. When they can balance their emotions well, they can lead a happy and a peaceful life. Okay, because we women keep on floating in our emotions. So I always teach the women that emotions are easy. Take your life easy. Okay, so here I finished my introduction. Who's the next? Yes, who would take this privilege to introduce herself?
Yeah, me.
Yes, Meenu, go ahead.
Okay. I hope you know me. I'm Meenu Tega, online mathematics wizard, founder of Meenu's Maths, mother of 2 sweet kids, wife of a super writer. I live in Ambala. I help students to build their mathematics foundation through my M-Square blueprints and my online classes. And at this time, I am especially working for class 10th students, board students.
Okay.
So that's in short, that's I am. And the most important thing, I love math.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the thing that what am I doing? What's my mission? That's the basic reason that why am I doing so.
Okay. Okay, that's a beautiful introduction. Yes.
Yeah.
Who can introduce? Who can
Yeah,
introduce the
me.
next? Yes, Manu, go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. This is Manu Kapoor. And I help women in reducing their weight so that they look more beautiful and, gain more confidence and lead this beautiful life with more charm and beauty. And I believe in healthy living so that they think healthy and they handle their family with full happiness. I'm based in Delhi and I'm mother of one. Yeah.
Yes, that's great. Yes, Sunita, would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. For those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm Sunita Prakash Nanwani, and I'm a personal fashion stylist. I help women, I encourage them in looking beautiful. They need to gain confidence in the way they have lost themselves in busy life. So they don't realize how beautiful they are. So I help them build their confidence internally, externally. Externally by helping them choose the right clothes for the right kind of outfits and the right kind of body shape that they have. So based on that, I'm based in Pondicherry. I work online nowadays. I have 2-3 clients, so I'm quite busy otherwise, and I'm a mother of 2.
Okay, that's great. That's great. I think we have Aishwarya and we have Umme. Are you there, Aishwarya? Can you hear us? Umme, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Umme, can you switch on your video and give your introduction, my dear? Yes, I think we have Aishwarya too, but she's connecting to the audio. Okay, yes, all right. Okay, Ume has put in chat that her daughter is crying in the background. All right, so we'll take her intro later. Okay, we'll be I'll request Rajit, you are
Yes,
our
ma'am.
Zoom master. Can you say a hi to all the lovely ladies here? So you will be dealing with all the technical issues. Okay, so please say hi to all the women here.
Good evening, one and all. I am very grateful to be a part of one more session of this Women Entrepreneur and Mindset Working. And I would like to help one who is connecting to their audio. I would request to Like, okay, I think they cannot hear. Pointless.
Yes.
Abhita, can you just text in the chat box that ask them to connect through their system audio? Ask them to click on the mic and then ask them to connect via system audio. I guess they are not clicking the second. Yeah, it's connected. It's connected. Go
It's
ahead.
connected. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Rajat. Yes, Aishwarya. Can you please unmute yourself and switch on your video and introduce yourself? Kavita is there.
Hello,
Yes, Aishwarya, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
my name is Aishwarya. I am a career counselor and a soft skills trainer for teens. I do counseling and I have my own company called Mer Careers, and I have a team of women who help me do it.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Welcome to the call, ma'am. All right. So, Ume, can you unmute yourself? And Kavita, we have you as well, my dear. Can you unmute yourself?
Hi everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, please carry on. I'm here.
All right, Kavita. Okay, no issues. Okay, Ume, I think whenever you feel ready, you can start your introduction and we'll jump to the next section, which is please go ahead with your accountability. Please declare your business accountability here so that what all tasks you are going to carry on to improve your business, to take your entrepreneurship to a next level. So what all commitments you have made for this next week. Can we have your commitments and your accountability for this week? Yes, who would like to start? Okay, I will start. This week, since last week I was traveling, so there is a quite backlog of my sessions. So this week I have to cover maximum sessions so that I can complete my sessions with clients on time. And the next thing, I'm preparing for a Zoom session for Women's Day. Myself and Manu will be guiding all the women again to have a beautiful life in health and in your mental peace. So I'll be working on that. For me, it's a commitment till 26th or 27th. I'll be keeping a concrete structure ready for the celebration of Women's Day from both of us. Okay, so this is my accountability for this week. And we have Kajal also. So Kajal, come on, you can just unmute yourself and give your intro, my dear.
Hi everyone, my name is Kajal Agarwal. I'm an astrologer. I've just joined the call. I don't know what's the agenda. I'm not sure, Abhita, you tell me.
It's okay, Kajal. We have finished the introduction part. Okay, and now we have switched on to the accountability part. Like what all commitments you have made for your business in this week. Okay, so just take your time. Till that, other women, please share your accountability. Who would take the next chance?
Yeah. This week, my accountability is to improve myself more into my profession, into my passion. As I'm working over my niche, I want to narrow down my niche little more. Don't want to stick over just a weight loss. I want to go more deeper into this subject. So I'm doing my further research, you can say, and trying to complete that this week. Few of the topics are there in my mind, so I'm working on that.
Okay, that's
and
great.
Yes, the Women's Day special with you.
Yes, for sure. Okay, who's the next?
Yes, I would like to go next. So yes, this week I'm traveling continuously, but still I'm working more clearly on my niche. I have narrowed it down more. So this week I would like to, I'm planning to update my website with my narrowed down niche, that is providing women coaches to find clarity in their business so that they can create their next 2 clear steps towards success.
Okay.
Great.
That's great. That's great, Kavita. Thank you. Yes. Who would be the next?
Me.
Yes, Meenu. Yes.
So As I have already told you that at this time I am working for class 10 board. So in this week, I'm going to post at least 3 to 4 videos on YouTube for important questions of 10th class. And I'm going to launch my new course that is for class 10th board students, exam tips. As my last course was very good. Response was very good. Feedback was very good. So it's my next is just only for class 10 students. So I'm trying to focus on them. I'm working for that in this week.
Okay, that's great.
Thank
You
you.
know, yes, Meenu, I want to share one thing. I am really phobic of maths. Okay, when I passed my 10th standard, I just thank God that maths, you know, I have got relief from this subject. But you know, seeing you, if you would have been my teacher, you know, I would have taken that strength that in 11th or 12th I can take maths because of such a lovely teacher. So I really
Thank you so much.
appreciate your knowledge and the way you do your work.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
You know, I want to share one experience of mine here.
Yeah.
Most of the students say these things. Ma'am, अब आए हो आप हमारी लाइफ में 10th में, प्लीज मैम आप पहले आते ना तो कुछ और होते हम आज. एंड यू नो बहुत सारे बच्चे मैम 11th में मैथ्स लेने का मूड नहीं था लेकिन अब मन कर रहा है मैथ्स ले ले, आप ही से पढ़ना है 11th में. एंड इट यू नो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. जो स्टूडेंट ऐसे स्टूडेंट जो क्लियर नहीं कर पा रहे थे लास्ट प्री बोर्ड में, शी गॉट 83.7%. एंड यू नो शी वाज क्राइंग. सच में वो क्लास में रो पड़ी थी, उसके आंसू निकल आए जब उसने मुझे अपना रिजल्ट बताया ना कि मैम मुझे पता नहीं था कि इतने मार्क्स भी होते हैं. एंड दैट बस यही मिशन है मेरा कि मेरे बच्चे खुश हो, कुछ सीखें, उनके पेरेंट्स सेटिस्फाई हो. आई एम हैप्पी. खुश हूँ मैं उससे.
That's great.
Thank you
That's
so
great.
much.
That is that these are the like you know these results you produce, Meenu, when you love your work. When you
Definitely.
love
I
the
love.
work you do, you put your heart and soul into it, and the results speak it out. That's lovely to hear
That's
from.
best thing. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Who would be like who would like to be the next? Sunita, Aishwarya, Kajal.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us commit. I don't know whether I will be able to do it or not, but I'll be making one YouTube video, which I'll be uploading this week. I'm not sure. I'm very afraid of making videos. So that is why I'm committing myself and to you all that I'll be making this YouTube video this week and upload it. A very small task may seem a very small task, but for me it's like climbing up a mountain.
Okay.
May I say something, Kajal? I have seen your live and you were doing very well. So you shouldn't have afraid from videos. Videos कुछ भी नहीं है. Live ज़्यादा difficult है. देखा अभी भी live मेरे 2 live हुए हैं. बस अब मुझे करना है, रेगुलरली करना है. लेकिन लाइव में फिर भी है थोड़ा जो डर होता है. वीडियो में तो हमारे पास बटन है.
I differ from you on this. I differ from you on this. Live में I didn't had any fear in my heart. In making videos ना, I look for perfection. और वहाँ पे क्या होता है, काम नहीं हो पाता. Whenever we look for perfection ना,
don't go for perfection.
We will not do that work then.
Okay.
Just
okay. Yeah,
just
sorry
do.
to yes, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, please. I'm
yeah. No, as this is a short call, we'll come to this Q&A session within the last 10 minutes. Let all the women finish their accountability first. I can understand, and yes, we are here to help each other out, but we'll be doing it in the last 10 minutes. Okay. So okay, Sunita, can you go ahead next? Yes, my dear, can you unmute yourself? Yes.
But this, after seeing so many of you taking out all this initiative, so I better do something also. So I'm a little hesitant about making calls and introducing myself to many people. Like so many in the group, I still don't know. So this time I plan to definitely call each one of them, trouble them कि मैं यहाँ हूँ, I exist, and if in case you need my help and services, call me. So I am willing to do that. At least I'll try to make one call or minimum 3 calls. 3 calls, I think उनमें से एक तो answer करेगा, busy नहीं रहेगा.
Okay.
So 3 calls at least in this whole week. 3 proper calls, and the thing is I want to help women, this particular group, and inform them that we can start doing from their wardrobe. So I'm just working on that, and once I get it, I'll just put it on the group.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Yes, go ahead. Just all of you, please go ahead. Okay. And yes, Aishwarya, can we have you now?
Yeah, I've been trying to do a webinar with my friend, and I'm planning this for more than a month. So I will planning to do that this week and plan it for at least start the webinar from first week of March. And I have been traveling for some soft skills work for the last 2-3 weeks. So I've not done my pending clients getting back to them. So that also I have to do. So that is my commitment for this week. And I have been planning that for quite some time. So I want to finish that.
Okay. Okay, that's great. I think we have completed the accountability part. Anyone is left? I think Ume has left us as her daughter was crying. Okay, so now we have, I think, 10 minutes left, few minutes left, 13 minutes left. And yes, now we are coming to the Q&A session. Okay, now coming to the part of Kajal. As Kajal mentioned, she was very good in life. And you know, Kajal, you were so calm and composed, I could say. Okay, but yes, you are having that fear and you are sharing this with us that in doing videos or while recording videos, you just go for perfection. Okay, and then that thing stops you. So, okay, anyone would like to guide Kajal here? Anyone would like to guide Kajal here?
Before this, Abida, I have one question. If
Sure.
you or Kavita can reply this, I want to know the main agenda of this mastermind class. Is it just that we're gonna discuss about the next 1 week plan or whatever we are planning to do in the next week, or something else?
Manu, Abida, can I answer this question?
Yes, please. Yes,
Yeah.
please. Kavita, go ahead.
Thank you. So, Manu, this is we have 3 sections in this. The first section is the accountability, so that as entrepreneurs, public, we know we have thousands of works to do, but we need to know what is the next important steps in our business. So we are going to give a public accountability and work on the next 2 or 3 steps in our business. That is the first part. Second part would be a Q&A session. So where if anyone has any doubts, see, we all join numerous courses, but after joining many courses, I know that each course has a gap. There are so many gaps that you cannot find the answers. So this is a group where we members from different courses can speak out our doubts and then clarify from each other. If it is something regarding my niche, I'll be there to help them out. If it is regarding some other niche, that is mine is basically the business niche. If it is mindset niche, some other coaches like Abida or anybody can help. Okay, so this is basically to work on your mindset and business to have this clarity. The first intro session is to practice ourselves. How do we introduce ourselves? So that within a minute, if we can summarize, give a summarized version of what we are doing, that is where we get most of the clients. So the foremost session is the intro session where you get to practice that. So the 3 purposes are to have a women group where we are accountable for each other. The second part is to fill the gaps of the numerous courses we are studying. And the first and foremost part is practicing whatever your intro part or your the way you speak part.
Okay.
Do you want to include some other part, Manu? Anybody is free to give suggestions, because the main objective of this group is to be beneficial for all the women coaches and entrepreneurs. Okay, so if you have any suggestions which is benefit for the whole group, then please give your suggestions for. Okay? We are here to update.
Kavita, for coming 2 weeks, my suggestion is that these 3 points should be mentioned in the group in written forms, so that whenever we are coming for the next mastermind class, we should prepare our mind accordingly. That yes, every time, every next session, our introduction should be improved and polished, and rest of the two points as well, that will be prepare our mind that yes, this is the point I'm going to discuss as accountability, and these are the questions I'm going to discuss. Maybe I'm the only one who missed all these points, but it can happen with others too. So my suggestion, only one suggestion, is that we should mention these 3 points in the group itself, so that next Tuesday, we'll be ready with all these 3 points, so that we'll get maximum benefit in this 30 minutes.
Yes, definitely, Manu, we'll do that. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention one part. One part is where we have a guest coach who will be saying something, presenting something for 4 minutes, so that the other people get benefited by that. So every week finding a new guest may be difficult. So the maximum sessions will have a guest speaker also.
Okay, that's great.
Yes. And one more suggestion I have, Kavita. See, like we from the Aspire group, very few people know that you have started this Toastmasters group. Okay, because sometimes, 1 week when we post our ad, or sometimes some of the women have skipped it. Like when I discuss with some of the women that you have started this, and I'm like, I feel so privileged. When I was the part of Mastermind Call to, some people asked me that where was that advertisement? I didn't see that. I want to join that Kavita's group. So, Kavita, we can do one thing. You can please put the post again in the group repeatedly, so that I want maximum women can benefit out of this group.
Definitely. I'll work on both the points. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, and the post is not only in a written format. I would say you should have a design format, because picture is always more catchy, and it always reflects in your memory for a longer time. So I would suggest that it should be in a picture format, that yes, this is the Mastermind class, and this is what we are going to cover in this.
Yeah. So I'm a part of Toastmasters, but this is purely Kavita's Mastermind accountability group. Okay, Toastmaster is, I am a part of it. Okay, this is not connected with Toastmasters. Okay. Anyway, I'll be very clear. I'll be giving pictures and other sentences, so that people get more clarity. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Now, can we come to Kajal's question? Yes. Anybody would like to guide Kajal? See, she has gone for 1 hour live on Facebook, and I really want to congratulate her for that. Okay, it takes a lot of guts to go live, but she's scared of making videos and post it on the YouTube. So what lovely women you would like to suggest, Kajal?
I have one suggestion. Like, I have no experience about YouTube videos, because honestly, I don't have a YouTube channel with me. But I got to know that you can record your live sessions, and you can put it on your YouTube as well. So since everybody is praising your live session, why don't you record it? Why don't you put your recording on your YouTube? As you said in accountability point, that you are going to make one video. Why you want to make another video? That is also your own video with a full of confidence. Then just publish that own video into your YouTube and save your time and energy.
Thank you so much, Manu, Abida, everyone who is praising me. I will find out the way how I will find out the steps by which I can download that recorded video, and then I can upload it on the YouTube.
Kajal,
yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt. You have a button in YouTube called as YouTube Live. Take your phone, click that YouTube Live button, and just start speaking. Automatically, your video will be live in YouTube. Then later, it will just stay there.
I know, Kavita. Yes, that is when I'll go live on YouTube.
But Kajal wants to download that video that is on Facebook. Usko download karna hai.
On this Sunday, maybe you're not aware. That is already there on Facebook, Kavita.
No, I am saying that you are okay with YouTube Live, right? Sorry, live videos.
Okay.
you are
Got
not
you.
okay with
Yes.
this. So just go to YouTube and put a live video so that without
Okay.
you feeling uncomfortable, a video will be created and it will stay. See, Facebooks, you'll have thousands of posts, but your YouTube video will be in your YouTube channel forever.
Yes.
So
Got
that,
you, Kavita.
yeah.
Yes.
So just try that.
You are telling me that instead of recording a video, just go live on YouTube, because I'm not afraid of live sessions. So
Yes.
then, in that way, the weak accountability can be accomplished. That is what you
Yes.
were suggesting me.
And that video will stay in your YouTube channel forever. You need not download anywhere or put it again anywhere. It will just stay there.
Yes,
And
yes, yes, got you.
Yeah.
Secondly, Kajal, as you have already prepared yourself for the last topic that was related to stone, why don't you make your YouTube live again on the same topic? Don't think that the people have already seen you or this topic has already covered. No, just save your time and just do live on the same topic. This is my suggestion. Rest is up to you.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much for the suggestion, Manu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, we have few more minutes. Any questions anybody wants to ask or anybody wants to share something?
I want to share a feedback for Meenu.
Okay, you want to share a feedback for Meenu? Yes, Kajal. Yes. Yes,
Meenu,
go ahead.
I actually shared the link of your YouTube channel with one of my friends whose son is in 10th class this session. So he is already getting benefited by your videos, by your tips and everything. So she wanted to thank me, but I want to personally thank you on her behalf कि उसका बेटा मैथ्स अच्छे से समझ पा रहा है. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. आप उसको मेरा ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करवा सकते हो. I can send you personally my group link because I have my class 10 student there. You know that group. You are also in that.
Yes, yes, I know.
Yeah.
I have already shared the link of that WhatsApp group also. But उसने अभी join नहीं किया.
नहीं, जो ग्रुप में है ना, जो ग्रुप में है बच्चे, उनको कुछ PDF भी दे गई हूँ मैं, और उनको और भी फैसिलिटीज बच्चों को मिल रही है. वो पर्सनली भी मुझसे पूछ लेते कि मैम ये टॉपिक प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, इसको क्लियर करना है. तो इट विल बी मच मोर बेनिफिट. एंड थैंक्स टू हिम, बच्चा हिम और हर जो भी है. So thank you very much. Yes. And thanks to you too.
My pleasure.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, any questions from anyone's side? Anyone wants to ask Kavita any question? Like she'll be guiding us in the business. Yes, Meenu, go ahead.
Yeah, I want to go live properly. 2 live हुए हैं, दोनों में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई मुझे. Sunita was there. Sunita, you were there. After 2-3 points, वो कुछ network issue हो गया था, प्रॉब्लम हो गई. So this week I am planning to go live, and I want you all there. Just for my support
you.
Because ये मेगा weak point है. Live में मुझे कुछ होता है. तो यहाँ पे मुझे आपकी support चाहिए.
Meenu, even if you're there for 5 minutes also, you give them the quality of 5 minutes, that is more than enough. Just for 5 minutes, you try out live. Baki, then you are, once you finish those 5 minutes, then you'll automatically get used to the flow. Trust me, when I had to choose, like I was feeling like मैं confidence सिखा रही हूँ, मुझे confidence चाहिए, so I was like laughing at myself. So I said, what is this?
क्या होता है? वो जब लाइव के साथ नंबर लिखे आते रहते हैं ना, वो नंबर डाउन जाते हैं ना कि कोई लाइव छोड़ रहा है, तो उस वक्त ऐसा लगता है कि that am I not doing well?
No, because their network is not working. Just think like that. Your network is not working. Okay.
Good.
So
good.
all the best.
Good.
I'll see you there.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Meenu, I would like to suggest you here, just be with your content, just be with yourself. Okay, instead of focusing on how many people are coming, just focus on your content and be yourself, and you will rock, my dear. Okay, because see, many people will leave the session of like, they will have multiple reasons. Some may have network issue, some may be having some family priorities. So don't think like that you are not doing well. Okay, Somebody
Yeah.
is not doing something because of you. They are doing because of themselves. Okay, so just be yourself. Okay, and you have so much of knowledge. Just put on that value in front of each and everyone. Okay, the people who are going to get benefited, just think about them. Just think about them. Your one video would reach to those people, those who will be benefited in this subject. Okay, just think like that. Just think about that intention and go ahead. This is my suggestion.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay, I think it's 9 p.m. Okay, Kavita, can we close the call? Would you
Yes.
like to say something?
Thank you so much, Abida. I'm traveling and I have such a specific schedule. So you have come forward and helped me conduct the session so well. Thank you so much. And thank you each one of you ladies. Thank you for your time. Hope we'll all meet again next Tuesday, 8:30 p.m. Okay, thank you.
Okay. It's a pleasure.
Thank you
It's a
so much.
pleasure. Yes,
Yeah.
it's a pleasure to have all of you here. Okay, and I love punctual people. So I love you all. We have been on time, and I love you, Kavita. You showed up. You showed up finally. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
thank you.
yes, yes.
Thank you all.
Okay then.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Yes.
Good
we'll be-
night. Thank you,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye.
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 Bye.